Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Marvic Dumlao de la Cruz, age 29-year-old. I am from Casiguran, Aurora, Philippines. I am single and no child. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. My hobbies are cooking and gardening. And I am a pet lover. I have 2 dogs and 2 cats. My expertise are childcare and cleaning. I worked as housemaid in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve 1 couple and 2 children, ages 4 and 8-year-old. My duties are taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, marketing, and hand wash. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family. I am willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song like head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, trustworthy, patient, and responsible. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.